Yeah. My wife just entered, so I had to make a little time for her to welcome her. Well, usually I use this kind of ingredients, ketchup. There should be no house without ketchup. Sorry. Sambal, that is chili pepper, but grinded. Maybe tonight I will use mustard and most probably cheese, because it's Italian and I use a tomato today. I have to finish it because it's almost finished itself. I am fond of using this stuff. That's Brussels sprouts, and you can use them not in the ordinary way that Dutch people are used to cook them, but you can also fry frying them in a pan, and I use that a lot, and it's delicious. And garlic, depending on the taste you have. Okay. What I also have lots and lots is this, sardines. And I have here Pangaeus filet, I told you, but I also use sardines in this menu, I think, to mix it up. And what I'm going to use else is, yes. And I have a Chinese coal, well, what we know as Chinese coal. It's, I don't know how you call it in English. This one. And let's see how it's gonna unwrap. This one, I don't know, we call it Chinese coal, cabbage, Chinese cabbage, and Chinese coal. Hope you like it. But I have an older piece which I have to finish here. So it is the same, but it's a little bit older. So I have to finish this one first. Okay. Oh yeah, and this one. I don't know how you call it in English, but we call it prei. I don't know how you call it in English, but we call it prei. In Dutch, at least. Okay, let's cook. Okay. Yeah, washing the cabbage. So, not too much. Cabbage can very much take over a meal, and I don't want that, so I don't use too much. So, starting with a little bit of macaroni, washing the cabbage. Putting it together with the mushrooms. Oops. Take a little of the prei, what we call prei. I don't know what's the English name for it. If you know the English name for it, please mail me. Please show it to me. This one, I'm going to put well, maybe such a piece or so into it. Not too much, not too less. cutting is fine. The cap I won't use. A little amount like this much, it's enough. It has a strong taste, so yeah. And the tomato. I have a big knife. Please be careful with big knives. Put it like this. Just rough cutting. Rough cutting. It's fresh tomato. I like fresh goods. I buy a lot of fresh goodies at the groceries. I like fresh. So it's also for the color, you know. What I also will do is at the same time take these sardines. Put them in the pan with the other fish. One tin can. What I also like is carrots, like these. These are getting a little old, so I have to finish them. Little garlic, little garlic, yeah. It's nice. Garlic is nice. It's good. And this is oregano, whatever you like to call it. It's Italian food, so pretty. Paprika powder. A little paprika powder. Oh, it's not used yet, so I have to open it. Yes. Lots of stuff. Green, that's good. Good. Don't throw it over the pan. I'm smashing I'm breaking these fishes apart as much as possible, and later I will add them here, but I cooked them in the first place in a different pan. So, yes, I'm going to add some. Yes, I use this stuff a lot. It's great, and I like it. As you will see in the next movies, you will see that I will, in the cooking movies at least, you will see that I use this stuff a lot. If you like to cook, then you should be punished if you don't have this stuff in the house. At least according to me. That's what I think. The macaroni is almost finished, I guess. If not entirely. Let's check it. Let's check it out. Bingo. Almost, yes. Let's put the fire low and take that one. Okay. Fish. If there's one reason why my wife is happy with me is that I'm, well, she thinks I'm a nice cook, good cook, and she doesn't like cooking. So, and I like cooking. Okay, a little, just a little of these chili peppers, smashed, just not too much, not too little. And some cheese. This is young cheese, young but belegen. How do you say that in English? Young ripened cheese. And I just take a piece like this, just something like this, and I put it in the pan, like this, cutting it. I should have had maybe some olives, but I don't have, I think. This is pretty soft cheese, it melts easily. You got in Holland, you got more older cheeses, which are pretty hard. I don't like them that much, but the taste is pretty good for for some occasions. But I like the softer cheeses more. And I put in some milk, just to make a little sauce in it. So pretty, not too much, not too little. And I like drinking milk, so I'm going to fetch me a beaker of milk to drink. That's goody. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, I have done that already. Oh yeah, carrots. Carrots. Los carrots. Los carrots. I'm gonna cut them. Cut the carrots. What is your profession? I'm a carrot cutter. This is for the cheese, but you can also use it for the carrots. To de-peel the carrots. Oh, this is so handy, you know. Here, we use it normally for the cheese, but you can also get the skin of the carrot off. So I use it a lot. That's one. This one is straighter. Tomorrow I will make a meal that is very favorite with us, and that's with is it minced meat? We call it gehakt. I recently made this recipe, and it's splendid. But I'll show you that tomorrow. Or no, I don't know. I'm going to put the fish here with the rest of it. So. Pretty. And I'm putting the carrots in. What I'm doing is putting the carrots in like this and this. The smaller you make things, the quicker they are cooked. So the smaller the pieces, the quicker they are cooked. Oh, right, okay. And I like eating fish. We like eating fish. Fish is healthy. At least a of course, I'm a Bible believing guy, that you know from the rest of my YouTube stuff. But fish is one of the good stuff. I don't prefer to eat shrimps because they're not so healthy. But fish like with scales, and fish like with how do you say, fins, they're healthy to eat. So that's the type of fish we use regularly. He's going to finish. Yeah. It's okay like this. What I also try to do is, the milk is of course a pretty liquid. So what I'm doing is stirring a lot, letting the water evaporate, so it becomes more solid instead of liquid. Otherwise you get too much liquid in it. So, and what I'm going to add is a little mustard. So, this, yeah, okay, that's fine. That's not too much. Okay. Can I add some more? Do I need to add some more? No, it's not like this, isn't it? Yeah. Yeah, I'm finished. I'll let the carrots being cooked for a little while, and then this is what we're going to eat tonight. So I hope it's nice, if that it's a good meal, and I'll tell you later when we finished it. And then I will recommend it to you or not. Okay, bye for now. Enjoy the meal.